Ang dami ko. Hello.
Pag sinabing Vic Soto sa industriya, lagi kayong associated with Itbulaga, Bossing, Heartthrob.
No. I want to correct that. Boy Next Door.
Nakas mo ako yung boy next door.
I would honestly admit na hindi naman ako ganun galing na daddy. Guilty as charged ako ron. We were happy with GMA.
Yes.
Until now, wala naman kaming masamang tinapay. Ang naging problema lang namin is with tape. Dahil nagkakaedad na raw kami, aalisin na kami. Eh, Itbulaga yan eh. Kami yun eh.